Happy birthday East Bengal. Wishing East Bengal a glorious 100-year celebration. East or West, East Bengal, you are the best. A national club that made such a huge impact in the heart of football lovers. East Bengal, also known as Lal Holud Bahini. The club founded on 1st of August 1920. Suresh Chandra Chaudhuri was the founder of this club. Some famous football players who were associated with this team was Ahmed Khan, Sudhir Kormokar, Manoranjan Bhattacharya, Krishanu De, Paichun Bhutia, and so on. Now let's see their victories in terms of the years. Now let me start with 1920. The first one is 11th of August 1920. They participate in Hercules Cup. They scored 4 goals and won the match. In 1943, they won their first IFA Shield. In 1945, they won both the Calcutta Football League and IFA Shield. Following up on 1948, they become the first team to defeat a foreign team in the home ground. Year 1948, they won Calcutta League, IFA Shield and Rovers Cup. That was a record to set up a benchmark. In 3 consecutive years, 1949, 1950 and 1951, they won the IFA Shield. 1962, 1967, 1969, 1972, 73 and 75. The Rovers Cup won by East Bengal. East Bengal won the Calcutta Football League for the 6 straight years from 1970 to 1975. East Bengal won against their arch rivals Mohun Bagan multiple times, including a record margin of 5-0 in the history of Kolkata Derby in 1975. In 1980 and 1985, they won the Federation Cup. The club also won the Stafford Cup in 1986 and the McDowell's Cup in 1995 and 1997. East Bengal FC won its first ever international title, the YY Cup, in Nepal in 1993. In 1996, the club became the founding member of the first nationwide football league in India, the National Football League. Now between 2000 and 2010, starting with NFL 2000 and 2001, they became the first club to win back-to-back titles after winning 2002-2003 and 2003-2004 version of the league. Federation Cup again in 2007, 2009, 2010 and 2012. India Super Cup in 2006 and 2011. Third international trophy in the 2003 Asian Club Championship in Jakarta, Indonesia. East Bengal is still the only Indian football team to win any major trophy outside the country. Made a record of 8 appearances between 2004 and 2015 in the AFC Cup. Calcutta Football League title 8 consecutive times from 2010 to 2017, breaking their previous records of the 6 times during 1970. So that is a small snapshot which I am just jotting down in one place to depict the history of this club. We wish this team a very happy birthday and many milestones to achieve. That is all for today. Till we meet in the next video, stay safe, stay at home.